Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson, and I'm going to do a video walkthrough of a 2023 Yamaha 195S. Pretty exciting that we have a Yamaha in stock for you guys to come and see. This is the 195S. This boat's great because Yamaha's come with all the accessories. So as you can see, you got the double bow fillers that can be removed, but you can make this whole thing a nice playpen seating, so super comfortable. And then you got the new for 2023, the new Nertz great sounding speakers up front. Turn around back here. It's got the nice snap-in seat decking because it is the S series. Comfortable seats with the bolsters. Nice trims. Got the seat deck right on the dash. Nice cubby layout right here for your drinks. Throw a wallet or something in there. Then you got the playpen seating back here, really comfortable. Nice contoured seating, bolstered on the back for comfort. Really cool trim with the two tones of brown with the white coming on the back, which is so great and unique about Yamaha. You have the great area back here to hang out, sit back there, all sea deck so you won't slip. Very nice and comfortable. Does have a spot for a table here and in the back. Over here in the captain's area, we do have the nice mirror that you can put wherever you'd like to. Nice, comfortable, bolstered seat. It has the Nertz stereo system, the phone holder, charger, and then this does have the 7-inch display. So easy operation on this particular boat. This is the supercharged motor, so tons of horsepower on this boat. And because it is equipped with the wakeboard rack, great for water sports, wakeboard and skiing, tubing, just all around great fun boat. So we're really excited, like I said, to have a Yamaha here, get a nice outside profile of the boat for you. So come on out to our MarineMax store. We did the beautiful gray, turned out real nice on the side, to the store here in Greenville. It'll be in the showroom, or it'll be up on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or you could give us a call at 864-236-9005. Once again, come and check out this Yamaha 2023 195S. Thank you.